excited to discuss the future of IT operations. That's the dawn of autonomous digital operations. So, in our fast paced market, companies striving for success must embrace digital transformations. So, this transformation necessitates significant IT investments in new applications, cloud, services, and infrastructure, which adds complexity and scale. So, this increased complexity strains IT operations, heightening the risk of disruptions, services outages, and rising costs. So, this risk threatens the innovations that keep your company ahead of the competitions. So, organizations must adopt efficient and automated IT operation management solutions to navigate these challenges. So, these challenges provide visibility and control over complex IT environment, ensuring an excellent end user experience while driving efficiency, agility, and innovation. Simultaneously, a comprehensive integrated security approach is crucial to protect critical systems and data from growing cyber threats. So this is where autonomous digital operations comes in. It is driven by advancement in machine learning and big data analytics. So autonomous digital operations automates and scale IT incident management intelligently across global organizations. So it represents a fundamental shift from manual rule-based systems to autonomous intelligence that enhance operational efficiency and service availability, which further reduce IT risk. So imagine a system that anticipates and resolves issues before they impact end user, which ensures seamless service delivery and maximizing uptime. So this is basically the power of ATO. That is predictive analytics and intelligent automation working together to optimize resource allocation, which streamlines change management and drive continuous improvement. Yet, despite these advancements, IT operations often remain entrenched in outdated practices like fragmented tools, silos data, and diverse cloud environment creates a complex challenge. To overcome this, IT operation must involve adopting greater visibility, collaboration, and automation. So today's IT landscape are more dynamic than ever, yet many IT operations still rely on legacy automation solutions. So let's introduce you with the Xenonstack's autonomous digital operation platform. It's a pioneering solution that automates incident management and streamlining manual processes. So this cloud-based platform ensures reduced operational cost, improved service availability, and mitigated IT risk. It leverages advanced analytics and machine learning, empowers teams to identify and resolve issues proactively. So the platform's ability to correlate and analyze vast amount of data from various sources sets it apart. It identifies root cause and implements targeted remedial strategies, minimizing incident impact and reducing resolution time. So it also automates incident management capabilities, which enhance efficiency, ensuring consistency and efficient incident reporting. So moreover, the user-friendly interface and intuitive dashboards provide IT teams with a clear view of their operational landscape, which enables information decisions and proactive risk mitigation. So Xenonstack's ADO platform is the future of IT automation. It addresses current challenges and positions enterprises for future growth. So integrating AI, autonomous layers, and data integration hub empowers IT operations to thrive in the digital age. So, prominent industry leaders have already experienced the transformative power of Xenonstack's ADO platform and realized significant operational improvement, cost saving, and enhanced service performance. So, I request you to book a demo today to gain more insights and explore how autonomous digital operations can revolutionize your IT operations. Thank you very much.